Go ahead.
Start.
Yep.
Okay. So guys, I have a piggy head. We are gonna open it.
We're gonna open it up?
Whoa. What do you think's inside the pig head?
I don't know.
Some stickers maybe, because I
Maybe.
see they're there.
Oh.
Okay.
And the
Open it
piggy's a
up
big
and
piggy
have
bank too,
some
huh?
fun.
Yep.
Actually,
There's some tape behind it.
There's some tape on it. Maybe Mommy will help you open it.
This is the first time Mommy's been in a video in a long time.
Yeah.
Oh,
Mama's
yeah,
camera
where's the
shy.
tape? Right there?
Yeah. This is the back of the head.
All right.
all right. So we got a mom.
Help. By the way, help us get to 1,000 subs. 1,000.
1,000
All right,
subs.
there you go.
Yeah.
All
Okay.
right.
Alright.
So what is here? What is
Ooh,
this?
what is that?
What is these?
Whoa. Connor, let Ryan do it. It says Piggy.
One at a time. Huh.
Need some help with that?
Yeah.
There.
We'll do that later.
There you go, Ryan.
Okay, guys.
What did you get?
Oh, I got my own Robbie blue pin.
Oh, is it a poster? Nice. That's cool.
All right.
All right, what else you got in there?
Okay, we got an inflatable bat.
Oh, an inflatable bat. Nice.
We got stickers.
Nice.
And we got a stuffy. I'm not sleeping with this, by the way.
No, what is that?
A
Like a
zombie,
zombie
plush-
piggy?
Zombie piggy plushie.
Nice.
We got a zombie piggy action figure.
Nice.
We got Foxy
Nice.
Then a piggy nose.
and Piggy Eye.
Sweet.
That's all
Let's
in the
test-
piggy.
Let's test out these stuff.
Yeah, let's test out this.
All right, what you got? Let's test it out.
I'm thinking the poster.
Nice.
Nice Robbie.
Maybe in a future video we could make Robbie.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, soon.
Let's get 1,000 likes for that.
Smoke
We need
Apparently our dog's doing something wrong.
our new dog. By the way, happy 2021.
Yeah.
Happy New Year. And no, after that.
Oh my gosh, that's scary.
Oh, I just found Justin's toy. So, I'm coming back. Alright, I'm coming back.
Okay, we are.
Why in every video we come like do stuff? We come say smoking, come here.
You got it on backwards, dude. There you go.
There.
Guys, do I look like Piggy? Do I look infected?
You do look infected.
And let's try out the nose.
Okay, I will try out the nose. Let's try out the nose. I am now going to be an oyster. Only one thing at a time.
There.
Like this,
There's nothing with the Robbie poster.
But 1,000 likes, we will make our own Robbie in the next video.
You make your own Robbie?
Yeah.
And we'll make a pizza floaty video. I just call it pizza floaty. What did you do to Psycho Pig?
Oh, now you're a pig?
Oink oink.
Ryan's Piggy.
Mine's a pig.
Oh my gosh. Doesn't look very comfortable.
Oh.
Oh, look. Now he's Piggy.
Yeah. You look like Ellie now.
All right.
Next up, if you're wondering who an elephant is, that's Ellie.
Oh, okay.
And there's wondering if this guy is. This is Piggy, and this is Robbie right here.
I see.
And this is Torture.
Okay,
This is
next.
Mary. This is Clowny. This is Ellie. This is Piggy. This is Mother. This is Butter.
Gotcha.
And the piggies
And we have
A zombie
piggies.
piggy.
with a bone,
Nice.
which is his weapon in the left.
Nice.
I do not play, by the way, I do not play Metro. It is a very, I wonder, I like House, okay.
This is on Piggy right here.
That's zombie piggy.
We're gonna open that up next video. Yoink! Woohoo! This is Foxy.
That's Foxy.
I wanted,
And Foxy has a knife.
He has a sword.
Oh my gosh.
no, this is a knife.
Cool.
He kills you with it.
Oh boy.
Okay.
Next,
Now let's,
I'll open up something.
we're gonna open up the zombie. Maybe we'll have a little Piggy Roblox video coming up soon.
Maybe.
Yeah.
I hope 2021 will be better than 2020.
Yeah.
I'll be scissors. I'll be right back.
COVID, man.
I'll be back. Kids at home.
There is no COVID in Piggy.
No?
Oh yeah, I think I got.
By the way, maybe at the end of the video, we might have a little Piggy competition.
I'm coming back.
Zombie Piggy versus
Foxy.
Foxy.
All right.
And whoever wins goes after 3 Roblox characters. Okay.
With this super noob.
No super noob.
Yeah. Alright, so here's the zombie Piggy plush. She
Whoa.
just
Nice. All right. Say goodbye, everybody.
goodbye.
No. We gotta do it at the end.
All right. Do the end.
See who wins
Whoever wins gets to take out 2 Roblox guys.
in the next video.
No, in this.
All right. Who's winning?
Look.
Oh.
Okay, Foxy is going to take out 1 Roblox guy.
All right, Ryan. We got to wrap this video up.
Hiya!
Oh, I took out a Roblox guy, too.
That's the end of the video. Bye, guys.
Say bye, Ryan.
And I hope you have a great day. Bye, guys.
We'll do
Bye.
another episode tomorrow.